welcome back to the channel. I'm Krystal the Gypsy, and if you're new here, I take you everywhere I go and I travel. So don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you can join me on all of my adventures. Thanks so much for watching, and let's go have some fun. They look like jellyfish. Perfect setting. So somebody once told me that if you look at a hotel elevator that has more than 13 floors, you won't see a 13th floor. And I don't see a 13th floor. Mind blown. Mind blown. Look, the wallpaper is a whole bunch of people surfing, or trying to anyways. They look kind of bored. Lead the way.
Right here, it says 1220.
Is that what our room is?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Right here.
All right. First impressions? Nice bathroom. Oh, very wide, love it. Let me tell you what, I can't tell you how much I can't stand a... Oh, there's like a kitchenette. You just noticed there's a sink, some cabinets, full-size mirror. Love those. Wow. Nice king bed. Sorry, my voice is a little hoarse. Nice big TV. We've got a coffee maker with a few, well, like one choice there. Lots of storage here. Some drawers. Mini fridge. And storage. Nice working station. Ice bucket with some water. And we didn't get an ocean view, but we did get a city view. So we'll get to see Virginia Beach when we wake up. Sitting chair. Could read a book there if I was staying here long enough. But this king bed, yeah. That's why I love these rooms, king beds. Oh, let me see the closet. So, storage, and I love these laundry bags. Ironing board. You got the safe right there, luggage rack. But I will say the one thing that I actually was surprised to see in this room was a ceiling fan. That I was not expecting. That is something that you need in every home in America. I tell you what, oh my God, I'm gonna love this tonight. We are in a conjoined room, but that's okay. Upstairs to, I guess, both the indoor and outdoor pool, and they have food delivery for the pool. Wow. Prices don't look too bad. Well, let's go see this pool. 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Ooh, it's a little chilly out here. Also, looks like they have an infinity pool, but it's so foggy out right now you can't see. Wow. These must be the igloos that they're getting ready to put out. Oh, the deck goes all the way around? Would you look at that? It goes all the way around. And it looks like they have a hot tub over here. They do. Look at that hot tub. I bet you during the summertime this is like amazing. Oh, here's where the Sky Bar is, but it's closed. Well, isn't that cool? Nice little pool area, but I think they have a lot of seating. But they do have another pool area that's completely indoor inside. Let's go take a look at that. So there are some kids in there, so I'm not going to record a whole bunch, but I'll record like a little bit. So you have an indoor pool. There's just kids and stuff playing, so I don't want to record with kids, but yeah, whole indoor pool area. So in the winter cold months, at least you have somewhere indoors to go play. Hours. I'm getting ready to leave the big Hilton down at the oceanfront and go get some coffee and get some food because this girl needs her coffee. Yeah, this is the 2D cafe, so you walk in and it's kind of like a coloring book.
Lisa, did you order
This whole come to 2D cafe. The staff is friendly and the cafe itself is gorgeous. It's like a Turkish. It's like a coloring book.
I want to color it.
A magical brown liquid, ground from being unnecessary for human life. Facts. I just love the detail. Look, they got a cow lamp. And an old phone. Look at the old phone right there. I just love the vibe. Look, I got Mona Lisa.
You guys can have the cheese sticks after the flop.
Alright, so I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. Made in Turkey. I don't know what is this? Oh, what is that?
No, it's not. I don't know what it is.
I don't know what. I need the lady here. I need to know how to do this. Oh.
This is the lights, Turkish delights.
Oh, okay, so I don't stick that in there,
No
correct?
stick, just on the side you can eat.
Okay. This is so cute though. I love this.
I thought it was a shirt.
Alright, this is the breakfast that I ordered. This looks so good. Oh my goodness, look at all those veggies. So I also got a nice coffee. I got the Biscoff coffee. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm excited. Well, Gypsies, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Hilton at the oceanfront with me and staying the night with me. I hope you have a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Be kind to each other. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you can come with me on all of my adventures and all of the hotels that I stay at. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have, like I said, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.